Hello, I'm in a 2019 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you that coolant. So first you open the hood, and while the vehicle's off and cool, then you can work with this coolant system. You don't want to do while it's hot because this all works under pressure here, and this liquid can get to a boil. You don't want a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you. But that said, down here, if you can see, there's like a full mark right down here, and low would be below that. So you do want some air gap, so when you do fill it, don't fill it all the way to the top. And check to make sure the coolant you're adding is the same color as what's in here already. And ideally the same brand you've been using if you can help it. Best not to mix and match. But when you're ready to add it, you just pop this open, and then either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, fill as needed until you're to your max line, and then pop this closed again. And if you need to get into this other one, this goes to your radiator. But you just push this down and unscrew about a couple turns, and it pops right out, and you'll see the coolant right on top. And once you've checked these systems, double check around for any leaks. So if there's any cracks through the lines or breaks or the reservoirs, sometimes the radiators can get cracked. One way to help test this is while the vehicle's running. Since the system's under pressure, then you might see some coolant start to puddle around the engine bay or underneath the vehicle. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is it'll have a slight coloration to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell, or you don't really want to touch it with your skin, but say you have a glove on, it'll feel slightly slick compared to water. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.